So guys, construction at my house. As you all saw that bird which came, she's building a nest, and there are many nests. As you all can see here, 1, 2, 3, and now this is a new nest. And she just left. She's going to come back. So let's wait. So guys, again she came. As you all can see. Was making her nests. Okay, she tried all of them and then she came here. Okay, so her nest was falling again and again. So then I took some sticks and made the hole small, as you can see. And now she's going to come again. That time I'll show you.